Right, here's episode 2 of the boat project, getting the boat delivered. Here I am prepping the pad with gravel and making sure that it's nice and level for when the boat gets here. I won't have any clips of me doing all the preparation for the delivery, which is kind of boring. Talking on the phone, doing emails, getting everything set so that the delivery happens. And here it was getting delivered. The back end of the trailer got a little stuck in the road, but thankfully our neighbor came over with a big machine and he was able to kind of lift the back end of the trailer and push the truck up the driveway so that it could get up there. So we got the mast out from underneath the boat first. It's a carbon fiber mast, but it's still pretty heavy because it's pretty long and the forestay was still attached and everything. So again, thankfully our neighbor helped out big time. It pretty much would have been impossible without their help to get everything delivered and unloaded, including the roller furling boom. That thing's pretty heavy. And so here's the next morning with the crane truck getting there and getting into place so that it can lift the boat off of the trailer and the trailer can pull out and we could get the boat onto the stands. So had some nice big straps that our next door neighbors loaned us.
I can see traffic at this time.
Just want to make sure that there's a line attached to the boat so that it can be controlled when it's floating in the air. There, the boat is finally getting lifted off the trailer. We were able to get all the stuff done with the crane in an hour, which was really nice because we saved money that way. Renting a crane can get expensive, so it was really lucky for us that the timing worked out really well and we had neighbors come to help out with the whole process so that it went nice and smoothly. So there it is, off the trailer, floating in midair and waiting for us to get the tarp out, put it underneath, and then get the boat stands on top of the tarp so that all the future stuff I'm gonna do, fiberglass work, all the trash that I'm gonna pull off the boat sits on the tarp instead of on the gravel pad.
I let it go to see what would happen, and it started moving. So we'll just hold on to it. There we go. About an inch.
And I made that little stand for the keel to sit on. About 80% of the weight of the boat sits on the keel and the rest of it on the stands there.
Good workout. Don't need to go to the gym.
These straps are pretty thick and pretty heavy, but it's a really good idea to use really wide straps when you're moving a boat like this. And there it is, all ready to go and ready for me to bring the ladder over and start the shed building process around it. So getting some cement pier blocks and some 4x4s, and I got a good deal on some wood to build the shed, but it was really wet and low quality wood. So it was a good challenge for me to build this shed and lift these ridiculously heavy 2x4s over my head and bolt them into place and stuff. So here's just a really quick look at how it all came together. Got some PVC pipes to bend into place for the roof and some greenhouse plastic. So pretty basic shed, but hopefully it'll last the duration of the project. So thanks for watching, and next time we'll be going inside and taking a look at what it looked like when it got here and going from there.